Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off head tracking on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you are unable to turn off or disable head tracking on your iPhone, first, go ahead and cover the front camera on your iPhone. Once you cover the front camera, then go to settings, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Then scroll down until you get to head tracking, click on it. Now go ahead and turn off head tracking. Mark you, when you set up head tracking, you can configure actions you take when you raise your eyebrow, when you open mouth, when you smile, when you stick out tongue, when your eyes is blink. So you can just come here to configure your head tracking on your iPhone to be able to control your iPhone using the head tracking feature. And that's it. So that's exactly how to disable or turn off head tracking on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.